Hello everyone, welcome to watch my video. Today I will introduce you one water leak alarm system. As you can see, the water leak alarm system is consisted with 4 parts. The first part is one quick close motorized valve, and the second one is one controller. And the next one is the water sensor cable. As you can see, the cable length is by default 6 meters, and the power adapter. The input power voltage is 100 AC voltage to 240 voltage, and transfer into 5 DC voltage. About the valve, it is one 5 voltage DC motorized valve, and it is a quick open close tab. And this valve it can also replace into the CWX25S. That model we have mentioned in the former videos. And about the controller, you can see there are 8 slots for the sensor cables, which we can plug in and pull out. And there are 8 indicators. It can show which sensor cable detected the water leak condition. And there are 3 buttons. First one, reset, open and close. And the sensor cable max can connect 8 cables. If you are interested into our water leak alarm system, please watch our demonstrate video, or you can leave the suggestions or questions on the comment section.